and gentlemen, welcome to another toy review!
Woo! Toys! We're adults! Yay!
And this is the one I know everyone's been waiting for. This is...
Skorpios v Hydra?
That would be awesome. Hexbugs, Skorpios v Hydra. We'd like that, please. But no, this is Whiplash versus Sawblaze.
Woo! Slash and burn!
And speaking of slashing, it's time to open the box.
No!
What?
You got to open the last box. It's my turn.
Okay.
Can I have a hammer?
No.
Okay, I'll be back.
Wait, what are you gonna go get?
Don't worry about it. It's fine. Boom. I opened the box.
Why? You cut the instructions in half!
You don't need those. You build the big ones.
So Diana and I got incredibly lucky, and we found one of these on Target store shelves.
No way.
You can see it was $69.99, and the
Shut
big
the
arena
front door.
was $120. These prices are a little expensive, but as you're about to see, they're a much higher quality toy. These are the three pieces that pop off of Whiplash.
Ooh.
They're held on by magnets.
Magnetized.
And the front wedges are actually flippy, so they can actually really get under other bots.
No, it's so they can talk to each other.
The wheels are a really nice rubber. It actually feels like the same rubber that the Vasquez's actually use. And it's really grippy. It does slow down its turning a little bit because the wheels just grab the floor so well.
Is grippy a technical term? I feel like it's a technical term.
I think it's a technical term.
Grippy!
You can see they have the same idler, just like the real Whiplash. It's kind of awesome. And
Awesome sauce.
And you can see the Fast Electronics logo printed here in the center. All the printing, all the sponsor labels is just spot on. Even where the screws go is accurate.
Button!
So it has the same pairing process that all the Hexbug toys have, where it listens to the first radio. The left button controls the spin, and the right button controls the lift.
Do you even lift, bro? This one does.
You only have to push it once, and it auto-returns. And you can see what I mean about the turning
Do a
here.
little dance!
Now, my favorite part of these new Hexbugs...
Is slamming into the wall?
Well, the
the
rechargeable
screw?
batteries have made them faster. And,
Oh, the other wall! Ooh, the screw!
I love they actually self-right. Look at that. Just
like a champ.
Just like the real Whiplash. Hee hee. It's amazing. Boop. Now.
Sawblaze! Slash and burn! Hi, brother in Saw.
The other Sawbot.
Brother in Saw.
The decaling is amazing, and I can't believe they even have the proper grip pattern in the tires. The tread. Even that part is spot on. Every little decal, every little spot. I'm very glad to see another hammer saw. Maybe this means Hexbug will do Skorpios next.
Skorpios!
But all the wedges are hinged, actually in two separate points. The three parts that come off are the right panel, the left panel, and the back plate. They're actually held on really securely. It's pretty tough to get them to fall off in combat.
It's because of the magnets.
It's because of the magnets. And this one, it feels like you can drive the arm backwards and forwards, but the Whiplash, I would not recommend it. It has the same controls as Whiplash, where the left button controls the blade on and off, and the right button...
Slam! Slam!
...swings the arm. It's auto-retract, just like Whiplash's, and...
Slam! Slam!
And you can use them
Slam.
together.
Slam! 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 Zach dreams of being a weapon operator.
And just like Whiplash, Sawblaze can self-right, which is completely amazing. Here's the instructions before Diana destroyed them.
Boo!
Thank you to my friend for texting that to me. And they recharge. The white charging port isn't included, but you do get 2 recharging cables. 3, 2, 1, go! No! My parts!
Yeah.
That's what I wanted. Okay. So I'm not going to give these toys a final score or a grade because I feel like I'm a biased party. But for what it's worth, I really enjoy playing with them. I always look forward to seeing who gets picked for the new Hexbug toy, and these were 2 excellent choices by Hexbug.
Oh. I call our brother in Saw.
You can have that one. I'm going to put on my safety glasses for this.
Samesies.
All right.
Safety first.
Blue Driver, are you ready?
Woo!
I'm ready to go.
Dun, dun,
3, 2, 1, fight, robots!
Slash
Fight!
and burn! Ah, kapow!
I flipped you! I flipped you!
Ah, that's a wall! Whee!
I got a part! I got a part! Use the lifter! Use the lifter! No!
I am! Ha ha ha!
Oh, why is it
Ha
getting
ha
apart?
ha!
How do they drive with
Slash
4
and
wheels?
burn, friend! Whee! Whoa!
Oh!
Safety first! Whee!
No! No! No, my back! Vasquez backwards hit!
Ya missed! No!
Ah, I got you on that one!
No! No!
How'd
you?
10,
Ow.
9,
Ow!
8,
Ow!
7,
No!
6,
Do not lunge!
5, 4,
Why are you not
3,
going where I tell
2,
you?
1. Match over, ladies and gentlemen.
I win!
Says who?